Today's Latin phrase is actus reus. It literally means guilty act. It's the physical element of a crime. For example, removing evidence is an actus reus in a crime. Yet again, killing could be an actus reus in a crime. But even in case of death, if the person acted in self-defense, the killing may not provide the actus reus. Never mind that the person's dead. Let's look at some sentences to know the practical use. For a killing to amount to a murder, the actus reus must coincide with mens rea in point of time. Watch our video on mens rea to know about this in detail. While the gun went off and resulted in the death, there is no actus reus because the weapon was in the hands of a 2-year-old child. Even touching a girl or woman without her permission is an actus reus to rape, irrespective of whether the perpetrator intended to rape the victim. Now note the structure. It's an actus reus to rape. Actus reus and mens rea are taken together to decide whether an act is a crime. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.